Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for spending a little bit of your day with me and my furry sidekicks. So happy you're here. I hope you stick around. Hit that subscribe button. I have a goal of 10,000 subscribers into the new year and I can't do it alone. I need your help. If you're new, I'm Laura. This is Wyatt. That's Zena. If you're returning, thank you so much for your support. We do subscription box unboxing, shopping hauls, outfit of the day, and so much more. Today, I'm excited because I have a limited edition Glossybox for you. So if you are a Glossybox subscriber, you are going to grab this for yourself or possibly for a gift. If you are new to Glossybox, stay tuned. This is going to be fun. Glossybox is a beauty subscription. It falls in the affordable category. This one is one that is, depending on which subscription choice you go with, from $21 to about $18 a month, and they send the best variety of beauty and makeup goodies. You will love it. This one is a limited edition. So if you're already a subscriber, you can pick this one up for $35 because it is some super special products. Yay, I'm excited. All right. Here it is. So I showed you the outer box. Glossybox always sends all of their boxes in an outer box. Keep their boxes protected. And then the inner box is always in a nice hard box that you could always use for storage if you wanted to. Today I'm sharing the Bumble and Bumble little limited edition box. So you might remember a few days ago I shared the grooming kit edition for men. They always have these awesome limited edition collections as well. That was another awesome gift idea that I'm trying to decide if I'm going to give to my husband, give to my son, split up. But another awesome option as well. I have a discount code for that one for $5 off, so do check that one. I'll put it up above if you didn't get a chance to see that one. So this is another one. This one is by Bumble and Bumble. I can't tell you, this is heavy. This is a heavy box, meaning there's going to be some awesome products in here. So this, as I said, is a limited edition. So let me just quickly cover their typical boxes. So as I mentioned, if you do month by month, meaning that you choose to sign up for the subscription month by month, it is $21 a month. If you buy it for the full year, it drops it down to $18 a month. And then you can also do 3 months, $19.50 a month, or 6 months, $18.50 a month. I do have a code for you. We'll cover that in just a little bit. They also have their advent calendar going on right now. Hopefully you caught my video revealing that. That was awesome. If not, I'll put that one up above also. That is $99 for non-members. If you're not a subscriber, you can still get that for $99. If you are a member, $89, and my discount will get you $10 off the advent calendar. Okay. This Bumble and Bumble limited edition box is valued at $100, and we're going to check it out and see what is inside. So here's what I see when I open it. They always have a little pamphlet that tells you all about the products that you get. If you are not familiar with Bumble and Bumble products, they're all about embracing your natural curl in your hair. So that is typically what Bumble and Bumble products are all about. So this says right in the front, Bumble and Bumble in collaboration with Glossybox. And it says, hey Glossies, it's time to get your curl on with this extra special limited edition, embrace your natural hair and enhance your beauty curls with the Bumble and Bumble Curl Collection. Formulated with ingredients to reduce frizz, restore shine, and nourish your hair, this range is everything your curls are craving. So for all of you who have natural curl in your hair, you're going to love this. For those of you who have friends, loved ones who also have natural curl and they're figuring out how to tame it or take care of it, this would be a great gift idea. I actually do have lots of natural curl in my hair. It tends to be more frizzy, so I was excited to give this box a try. All right, lots of stuff. So here's what I see. There's lots of stuff in here. All right, so yay, let's do the smaller ones first, and then there looks like there's full size in here too. So first up, we have the Bumble and Bumble BB Curl Defining Cream. So this is a travel size. It says this rich UV protective cream helps create movable curls without the crunch while shielding against the drying and damaging effects of the sun. Hydrosculpt blend and a butter and oil blend combine moisture and styling benefits to keep your curls hydrated and shiny. The MSRP is $16. And it says how to use. You emulsify 1 or 2 quarter-size dollops between your hands, press and squeeze into damp or wet hair from mid-shaft ends, and then air dry or diffuse. That's the first one. This box smells really good. There must be something in here that's amazing. Next, we have the BB Curl Reactor. So this is also a travel size. Give your curls an extra boost with this super moisturizing mist. The hydrating formula is especially helpful when you're in a rush or on the go. Easily revive and replenish the nourishment in your curls with a few quick spritzes. This is valued at $13. And you're supposed to spray it onto damp hair, starting at the ends and working your way to the roots. And then you run it through your fingers to style. There's more information. I'm not going to read everything to you. You guys don't want to hear that. All right, next up, there are 5 products in here. Next up, we have the BB Curl Anti-Humidity Gel Oil. Also a travel size, or this is called a Deluxe Mini. This one is valued at $6, and it is to finish off your hair routine with this Nourishing Gel Oil Hybrid. It protects against UV damage and humidity while adding some bounce and shine to your hair without that heavy, greasy feeling. And then you emulsify in your hand and then work it in sections through damp hair and run through to the ends. And then you air dry or diffuse again. So after my son was born, I felt like I didn't have a lot of time. And these products would have been great because I used to actually do that, like just crunch it and then use the diffuser and just dry my hair, and it was pretty much looked like I had a perm, but it was all natural curl. I used to do that all the time. I haven't done that for a really long time because now I just straighten it to dry because my hair doesn't take long to dry it. But I almost want to give this a try again. All right, next up we have a shampoo. So this is a full size, and this is the Curl Moisturizing Shampoo. It's free of sulfates and cleansers. So this moisturizer, curl-loving, gentle shampoo is enhanced with a rich blend of avocado, coconut, jojoba oils, along with shea and cocoa butter to deeply hydrate hair, reduce frizz, and add shine. Plus, it's a non-stripping, color-safe formula that's free of sulfate cleansers. And this is valued at $31. And then obviously this is a shampoo. So it says start on the wet hair, apply from roots to end. And then when shampooing, use small stationary circular movements to scalp to avoid tangling. I see you. You want to say hi to everybody? There you are. I don't think they could see you before. Yeah. And then the last item in the box is a full-size 3-in-1 conditioner. And this is the perfect duo for the beautiful curls. For your beautiful curls, it says this conditioner that pairs with the Curl Moisturizing Shampoo can be used 3 different ways: as a rinse out, leave-in, or co-wash. So you can keep the dryness out and the hydration in. So it says, as a moisturizing conditioner, you smooth and run through it with your fingers or wide tooth comb and leave in for a minute or 2 or longer if you need it, and then you rinse it out. As a leave-in conditioner, you smooth and work through with your fingers or wide tooth comb and leave in as a treatment. Kind of like that. I've been meaning to actually use a conditioning treatment on my hair for quite some time. And then, but I just feel like I don't ever have the time and I need to just do it. And then as a co-wash, you skip shampooing and massage from roots to ends and then rinse out. This one is valued at $34. So what did you guys think? I thought this was a great collection. So as I said, it's valued at $100 and it cost $35. And then I have a code for you that will get you $5 off of it for $30. Love this. Loved it. All the things you need for curly hair. So if you want to embrace your curly hair and stop drying it straight like I do all the time, or if you know somebody that's complaining about their curly hair and would like to try some new products, this would be the box to give them for the holidays. All right, so that's it for the box. I hope you enjoyed it. As I said, I do have a code for you. If you use the code Laura, you would get your first subscription box. So that's the normal monthly glossy box, which I have shared before. I will put that up above here for you in case you want to check that out. I love their monthly boxes. You would get your first box for $16. And then you would get $5 off of the Bumble box or any of their limited edition boxes. And then don't forget that code also works for $10 off the advent calendar if you'd like to get that for anyone as a gift, or if you just like to get it for yourself and have fun as we lead into the holidays. All right, thanks so much for spending time with me today. This was so much fun. Love the limited edition Glossybox collections. Let me know what you think though. Please do comment down below. It's my favorite part about doing these videos. If you enjoyed this, please do hit that like before you go. And don't forget, hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks so much. Until next time. Bye, everybody.